Hi Box Buddies, this is Jeannie with Batman's Boxes. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing for you a 5 to 9 year old Barbie race car theme for a girl, and I'll show you the box does close. But when she opens her box, this is what she'll see. And right on top I have her stuffy, and I chose the German Shepherd because one of the very popular female race car drivers is Danica Patrick, and she has two dogs. She has a Belgian Malinois and she also has a Husky, so that's why I included this one. For her outfit, I gave her just a plain red shirt. I think I got this from the Dollar Tree, but these are Hanes t-shirts. And I found a couple of those in a few different sizes, so I did pick them up. She has a pair of black jean shorts. And to go a little bit more with the colors, I also included a pair of blue, almost like gym shorts. I gave her two pair of undies, and I also gave her 3 pair of socks. And 3. She has her pencil case. And in her pencil case, I gave her some Hot Wheel pencils, various different color blue and red pencils, but I did find a couple of the Hot Wheel pencils. And I also gave her one of these car click pens that I got from Shein. So thank you, Trish from Birdfeed, for showing those a while back. She has a Barbie puzzle, and it's not race car, but the 4 friends are in a car, so I chose that one. She has some crayons that I put Jesus is the Way sticker, and then on the back I put some Hot Wheels stickers and a pack of coloring pencils. This is her backpack that I rolled up on the bottom. And I gave her this Hot Wheel truck. I think these were out for Easter. She has a Hot Wheel to-go pack, which includes some markers. I also gave her this wooden race car, put it together yourself. I took it out of the package, but left this inside because it has the instructions on the back, because it had wood glue in it, so which is liquid. So I took it out and I included 2 extra glue sticks there, so she can put that together. She has a face mask. I gave her a checker set. I gave her 2 toothbrushes because it's a 5 to 9. I usually include a small one and then a larger one, and this one is one of the Hot Wheel ones. I think they come in a 2-pack from the Dollar Tree. She has a collapsible water bottle. I gave her a whistle on a very long lanyard. So maybe when she starts the race, she can blow the whistle, or she can wave her bandana. She has 2 extra glue sticks. I also gave her this This was a McDonald's toy. I believe it's a purple truck, but I believe it's also a launcher. So I did leave the instructions inside the bag as well. I found this 50th anniversary Barbie Race Car Barbie doll, the NASCAR one. So this is actually what inspired the theme. And it does come with a stand. I would show you, but I tried a couple of times to figure out how to get that doll on a stand, but we'll just leave her just like this. And she also comes with a helmet and a pair of boots. And in this little purse, I gave her a bunch of hair items. She has, this is a hairband, but it also covers the back. So in case it's hot, her neck will be covered. And she has 2 thumbs up barrettes, a hair clip, a scrunchie, and a yellow headband. I think I have one more in here. Oh, and this was, I think, after 4th of July last year, but I thought it went well with the theme. It's a hair scrunchie. She has a bag of mini erasers, some cell phone lip gloss, her comb, a lip whistle, and one of these little Weeble toys. She has a mini disc, flying disc. I gave her a fidget spinner, but this is one almost like a Rubik's Cube, and then there's marbles that you can try to get down there. For her jewelry, I gave her these heart red, white, and blue earrings. I gave her this cross bracelet and also a cross necklace to go with her outfit. She has a tic-tac-toe game. I left it in the package because the pieces, I don't know, I might put some magnets or something on there. The pieces might be easily lost. She has a Hot Wheel coloring book, and I gave her a notebook in which I stuck lots of different stickers. I gave her some doggy stickers. She has a Mario sticker, a couple of sheets of Hot Wheels, and music stickers, Panda. These are tattoos, Hot Wheel tattoos, and this is just a sheet of various different vehicles. She also has this fidget spinner. You can morph it into whatever you want, and a bounce ball. And I think the second, she also has her hygiene kit with her washcloth. But the second wow item beside the Barbie doll I put in here was this set of Legos. And I'm probably going to have to go around the other side because I don't think I have any more room. But I put a lot of these boxes, you can really stuff them full. And so I gave her a green car. I gave her a yellow car. This one I left in the bag because it was a McDonald's toy, but it's a race car, and then you get to put your own stickers on there, so I did leave it in the bag. I also gave her this safety vest in case she's on the track and she has to do her own car work. She has lots of erasers. I gave her a yellow car eraser. She has a nuts and bolts tool eraser. Some binocular erasers. Also gave her a motorcycle eraser. And a flash, because race cars are fast. And 2 tool erasers for when she has to fix her car. She also has a yellow cross necklace. I gave her an oil truck pencil sharpener. She has 2 race car drivers. Oh, one more nut and bolt eraser. And the rest of the box is I filled up with Legos. But what I like about these boxes is actually the top can be that base plate. And all your Legos can stick on here. So that is my 5 to 9 Barbie race car box for a young lady, and I hope she enjoys all the trinkets that I've included. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.